Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. UiPath Studio is installed and licensed, and you have the NuPKG file or package feed URL available. Once those are ready, open your project and click the project panel. Make sure the right project is selected, because packages install per project. Next, open Manage Packages from the menu. This is where you access local, official, or custom feeds. Make sure to switch to the correct package source, so Studio will look where your package actually resides. Once Manage Packages is open, switch the source to local, official, or your custom feed. This directs Studio where to search. Then search by package ID or browse the local directory. You can also drag a NuPKG into the local feed folder and refresh the list. When you find the exact version you need, click Install so dependencies resolve. After installation, press Save or Apply. This updates project JSON and downloads the package to the Global Packages folder, so activities become available immediately. To finish, verify the Activities panel shows the new package activities and add necessary namespaces via imports. This ensures activities appear without errors. If the package does not show, clear the Nuget cache in Studio settings, re-add or correct the feed URL, then refresh Manage Packages and reinstall. Make sure project JSON lists the package and Packages folder contains the NuPKG if versions mismatch. Uninstall, then reinstall the correct version. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves feed or cache issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.